So for me to do this hot oil treatment, these are the oil I'm going to be mixing. Castor oil, extra virgin avocado oil, jojoba oil, little bit of coconut oil. So you can see it has nicely solidified. Brilliant. Few drops of tea tree oil. This is essential oil, so I only need few drops of this. Brilliant for the scalp. Really help with dandruff and itchy scalp. I'm gonna stir this up. I will be applying a little bit of this to my hair. The aim of me doing this today is to help me take down my cornrow safely without receiving much breakage. Then after I've done that, I'll be applying loads of it on my hands while I'm taking my cornrows down to make sure my fingers are not snagging off my hair. I will be transferring this into this little bottle here, which then I will then heat it up for it to become a hot oil treatment. I get a lot of questions, people asking me what is the difference between hot oil treatment and pre-shampoo treatment. You see, pre-shampoo treatment can consist of many things. Most people like to add conditioner to it. I've done that before. Then you use it just before you shampoo your hair to prevent that barrier of the shampoo completely stripping up your hair. Hot oil treatment does similar thing. The difference is hot oil treatment consists of oils only. Nothing else is mixed to it. And if you choose your oil wisely, you can benefit from this greatly. Soften the hair, help with dandruff. I remember when my sister was battling with dandruff, and we make it our business to do hot oil treatment each time before she wash her hair. Her dandruff did reduced. Obviously, like with anything, you kind of have to stick with it. It helps soften the hair, like I said. It's great when you're taking your protective style down because it's just oil, so you're likely to receive that oily feeling to the hair. While conditioner, on the other hand, it tends to make hair that's already tangled, tend to make it stick together. I don't know if that makes any sense. So hot oil treatment is extremely beneficial for the hair, and let's not forget the fact that it will help make sure your shampoo is not completely stripping your hair out. When you then finish applying the oil and go under the dryer or walk around the house, when you then go on to wash it off, it will prevent the shampoo completely stripping out your hair. That's another bonus. So keep on watching, guys. So you can see how I use this oil to take down my protective side cornrows, which I've had for a while now, and hopefully detangle safely. Keep on watching. Do not go anywhere. So I transfer the oil into that little bowl to help me transfer it to the bottle that I need it to be. I had a good amount of oil in my hand. Rub it all in, as you can see. Then I'm going to start to take the actual cornrows down. Well, this bit was a bit tricky. I tried to use my right comb. I won't be cornrowing my hair all the way to the end next time. It was quite tricky to take down. So I added a bit more oil on it. That really helped. So at this point forward, I know that I really have to go heavy-handed with this oil. No messing.
Let me feel some vibes. I need it more, baby. Let me scream, girl, I need it more, baby. When I wake up in the morning, it's you I'm wanting, girl.
Don't be alarmed. That is the fake hair that I added for extra firmness for the cornrows. So I detangle my hair just slightly using my finger first. Then I went in with the comb, starting from the ends of the hair and work my way down. And I am detangling the hair. As I take that cornrow down, I'm detangling it one by one. I'm not gonna take the whole hair down, then I'm have a mountain of hair and wanna have you to detangle. So I'm detangling it one cornrows at a time to make it easier for me even more.
Hypnotize me, baby. Mesmerize me, baby. Tranquilize me, baby. Unstabilize me, baby. Yeah.
Flex on the rhythm. Straight to my home, we don't need more time. After the sex, I swear me no time. Kissing, licking, I bet she likes it. Oh yeah. Me want kiss and caress you, girl. Cause the way you said you impress me, girl. Straight from the club, we walk out. Up on the couch, the lights are out. I can feel your vibration, girl. Girl, you make me tension, girl. See the distance between us, girl. Because me have potential, girl, baby.
I wanna kiss and touch. Baby, come closer. Let me love you right. I wanna kiss and touch. Baby, come closer. Let me love you right. Give me some bedroom lecture. Some bedroom lecture. Give me some bedroom lecture. Some bedroom lecture. Hypnotize me, baby. Mesmerize me, baby. Tranquilize me, baby. Unstabilize me, baby.
I would definitely recommend wearing something you don't care about, just like I am doing, because your hair is gonna be coated with oil like never before. Right now, my hair is practically dripping with oil. My new growth, on the other hand, the oil is doing exactly what I wanted it to do, which is soften it. That bowl I've just lifted up is where the hot water is. So every now and again, once the water cools down, I replace with it another hot water, just to make sure the temperature of the oil continue to be warm. That is the whole point of it. And the fact that I've chosen my oil carefully, combine that with the fact that the oil temperature carry on to be warm in the duration I need it to be, make the hair extremely soft and slippery, which is what I was after. If you were wondering why I have gloves on, is purely because with constant hand washing, my hands are so rough. My nails is just unbelievable. So having gloves on means I'm not going to be snagging my hair off. So I wrap it up with clay film, as you can see, and I'm going to go under the dryer for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, to be honest with you guys, I barely even need to go under the dryer, because the way I've done the oil, having the temperature warm constantly, made the hair already soft anyway. So now I am just going to quickly show you what the texture is looking like. It's extremely soft. So I will be heading into the shower from now and wash the hair. I did not record how I wash it. I have a lot of video on how I actually shampoo my hair. So I went on to shampoo the hair. The new growth is extremely soft. I'm just over 3 months post at the time this video was recorded. As you can see, my new growth have got something else in their mind. So this is going to be a long stretch. But however, I'm going to be taking it 1 week at a time. So I will leave it here for now, guys. Thank you all so much for your support. I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao, ciao.
Simple. Missing love in your eyes. See other girls coming out chaser. Cause it's you that I'm wanting, yeah. Me want smoke you like kush. Other girls call me one push. Throw it. You supposed to not say the bride and necklace for you. See anytime when you come around, baby girl, I go treat you better. Girl, I go do you better. Never loving, never wanting, no more leaving. Everything that you wanting, baby, tell me. Girl, now you way I want every day. Oh baby, now you be the one where they make me to salmon quail. Girl, now you be the one where they make me to see ball and lay. Oh baby, now you be the one where they make me to sing this song for you. Girl, now you be the one where they make me to spend this money, oh.